Hello, good people of YouTube. This Sunday, we are about to launch a massive eBay sale. The link to my eBay page will be in the description. Check it out. St. Blazey Model World, we are going to sell pretty much everything. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to St. Blazey Model World. I'm Roger. This Sunday, I'm about to launch a massive eBay sale. I'm clearing out a lot of stuff. You'll find the link to my eBay page in the description for this video. Bid on what you will. Please remember though that my test track, which is illustrating some of the model trains, is not for sale. That's staying with me, but you can bid on pretty much everything else. Hopefully you'll enjoy and look forward to seeing your bids, and take care. Bye bye for now. I really have got tons and tons of stuff to get rid of. If you're UK, the P&P, postage and packing applies as you see it on eBay. If you live abroad or across the water somewhere, please give me a shout. I'll try and do you a good deal. I'm not here to rip somebody off. I really just need to offload some of this stuff. So the question is, does this mean the end of St. Blazey Model World? No, absolutely not. Far from it. I really do have just too much stuff. It's time to unload, share it with the good people around the world who can make use of it. Hopefully you'll find something there. Different gauges, different products, die cast, white metal kits, model trains, model buses, model truck stuff. There's tons, absolutely tons coming up for sale over the next few weeks. I hope you'll find something you like. Good luck with your bidding, and hopefully you'll be happy. Simple fact is, I've bought too much stuff and I'm going to die before I use it all. So it's time to move it on, hopefully to you. If you see something you like here, or check out the eBay page, link will be in the description. You'll find something that you like, I'm sure, of various gauges. I must point out, however, my trusty test track here is not for sale. This is not an item included in the sale. Everything else will be, but not this one. Right, take care, guys. Hopefully we'll see you soon. Bye for now. Bye-bye.